Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan here from Pro. I had something pretty cool come in today actually, so I decided to make a video, and it's an S20 Ultra, or at least that's what my customer told me. And it does look like one, however, as you can see, well, not as you can see, but it does look a little bit, it does not feel like an S20. So, I decided to open it up and then take a look. So this is sort of a take apart video, but it's more an example. It's exactly what the difference is. This guy, I think he bought this on Wish, he said. You can clearly tell by the screen that it's an LCD screen instead of an OLED. Everything, it just doesn't feel right. It feels cheap. You can tell by looking at the screen, it looks poorly. The buttons don't click as well. It just doesn't look as nice or feel. It might trick a layman or someone who has not used a Samsung before, but it definitely is not Samsung quality. Anyways, just gonna open this up for you guys. I've already kind of taken the screen or the back glass off a little bit, so really, if you want to do this yourself, just heat it up and have at it. But this is what it looks like inside, and the cheapness really begins to show when you open it up. Take a look at that. That is nasty looking. You can tell the battery just looks like trash. I mean, look at that. The wires are just hanging off there. It's got some sort of battery that just easily lifts off. I haven't pre-lifted this, but you can just see that with barely any pressure, this guy's just lifting right off. The build quality is just absolutely terrible. Just terrible build quality. Yeah, so that's what we have inside. I gotta remove some of this tape here, and then I'm gonna get inside and try and find some more screws. Or I don't even know how this thing's screwed in. I mean, it might be sort of just clipped in and not even screwed. Yeah, it's just clipped in. Look at that. Ooh, cut myself pretty good though on it too. Where did I cut myself? I don't know. Anyways, should be wearing gloves for this. And my hand's stuck. What a cheap piece of trash. Look at that. Just comes off like that. Getting blood everywhere. Everything's just falling apart as you get into it. My customer actually thought this was an S20. S20 Ultra. You didn't pay that much for it, but look at that build quality, just super, super poor. I mean, board looks poor. This, the flash is soldered into place. The speaker's soldered into place. Whatever this is that goes to the subboard, it's looks like it goes to the subboard. It's soldered into place. I mean, the build quality is terrible. Anyways, thought it'd be cool to kind of do a little take apart on this, even though it's not a full take apart. Batteries soldered into place. You have the wire. This is doesn't clip out. It's a something else. Anyways, that goes all the way down to the bottom here to the charge port. So does this guy. And yeah, that's the way she goes. It's yeah, poor build quality. Anyways, all right guys, it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm gonna try and post more now that COVID's coming to an end, hopefully. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I like this video, and check out my website at www.cellprorepair.com, and sell parts on there as well. And give me a shout if you need anything. And feel free to like the video. Thanks. Bye-bye.